Dear Diary, it's Monday, January 17th, 2022, and it hasn't stopped snowing outside. I've been trapped inside for what feels like days, and yet it's only been since yesterday. I can't help but worry and wonder what I'll do now that I'm out of coffee creamer. If you're watching this, help. Hey guys, just me being a dork. But check out this crazy snow. I want to go measure it outside of our back door real quick because it's insane. It's at least, I don't know, I'm going to say 8 to 12 inches. Let's go check it out on the back door. Okay. So, we do have a back deck. And this door, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, so, oops. Okay, so I'm gonna measure. So 5 more inches is the deck, but the actual fix the measuring tape, but look at that, 15, and it's still snowing. Oh my god. Sure is pretty. And definitely thankful I don't have to go out in this. Hope anybody who does have to go out in it is being safe. I also have a bunny who's glad he doesn't have to be in it either. Yeah. Yeah. You come out. Good morning. Pausing for this cuteness moment. What are you doing? Alright. Got shoes are all tied up now that it's been 3 hours later, huh? Trying to get all your stuff on? Huh?
I know.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Wait.
Alright. You first. See, Daddy's already shoveled out some of it. Yeah? What'd you say?
Yeah.
What'd you say? Go on. You can do it. Go find Daddy. You don't see him? Is he in the snow somewhere? He doesn't know we're out here yet. Wanna go get him? Okay, be careful. This is nuts.
I can do this. I can do this. Come on, Boo. No, no,
I think this is the most snow she's ever seen. What's the matter?
I stuck in the snow.
Oh, are you stuck?
I'm still stuck.
Here, here, grab my hand. Oh. Oh. Almost there.
I got.
Yay, good job. All right, guys, till next time, and please be safe out there. Bye.